Alright, so I kind of wanted to dress this up a little bit. What I have here is a set of, well, they're the MPX hood props with the shocks that you can put on here. So we're going to get these installed. And never have to mess with the prop rod again. So there we go. Now these like to do this, so since I'm pulling this apart, I figured I'll a little bit of anti-seize on them. Now you can remove this, but for right now I'm just going to do that. And we'll see how this thing's going to shut. Okay. Not bad. It's totally weird. I'm not used to doing that. Alright, very simple, very easy to install. Take a look here from the side. You can see the shocks are here. Alright, so it's been a couple days since I had installed the hood shocks, basically over the weekend. And I did a rotation on the tires. And like I said, if you've seen the exhaust install video, the car really hasn't moved since then. So I did do a couple other things, and I started digging out some of the parts that I need and seeing what else I had to get. Basically, I got a couple things that I want to do. I'm just trying to decide what the installation of what items is going to be best grouped together, basically. So I left the key on the other day, so the battery was dead, so I have a charger on it, even though good thing for a new battery. But I had installed this here. All right, I had one of these to install. If you check it out, it's like a blue, I don't know, pearl. Looks really good. Back in behind there, you can't really see it. you get back, you can kind of see it. But I had to clean that up. I did get some photos of that, so I'll show you some before, after, and during, and what I used. To get that clean. And right now it's down off the jacks. My center cap was loose on them. Here, this is what we had. I just didn't want to take the chance of losing one, so I'm gonna pull it off and re-glue it together. You know, that way you know you don't lose it. So I'm gonna get the tripod set up here in a minute, and we'll fire this thing up, and you guys can get a cold start on the MPX exhaust, and maybe I'll take it for a little cruise down the road and see what it sounds like. All right, so we're gonna see if it has enough charge, and you guys are gonna get a cold start. Start.